help you with that.
Okay, there you go.
Brother, didn't mean that.
Heart me, big love, Conrad. Stop it. Boys, what is wrong with me now? Everyone... I keep farting, man. What is fucking wrong with me? Look! See, do you... Ever been hitting the...
Beer I didn't have.
If we get £17 right now, Brogan can be afford to eat.
Do you want food? Smells like cum. It's terrible. What? I just say live life. Who's that? Obviously employed. Holiday, what the fuck?
Who wants to join?
Farting on yet another date.
Look, that was quite hot though, weren't it? What? Well done, Smack.
If your own fuck, then you waft it my way, so I want to smell them too.
You do?
Just keep them compact over there. You actually are going to follow through. You are going to follow through. Are you infuriated?
Oh.
No. Stop gassing out my car! Oh my bullshit! You're gonna have to get on my nerves. You keep gassing out my car, right? I'm gonna do that, spray this spray, because I don't want to smell that. Harry!
What?
That smells really bad. I'm not gonna lie, I don't want that filled into my lungs. You are disgusting! I'm trying to concentrate and you can do that in the background.
Safe to say Taco Bell finished me off.
You actually stressing me out a little bit more tonight.
Don't fart.
Yeah, but I've never known someone that can fart as much as you. You're gonna follow through one day. You're actually gonna follow through.
No, I'm not.
Don't do it. And you done it. I don't know that my arm's there. What the fuck? Right, no, because my head is far too close.